Good morning to everybody, students. Today we discuss unit number 2, determinant and matrices, different type of matrices. Now previous lecture we discuss row matrix, column matrix and null matrix. Now here fourth type of matrix, square matrix. Now definition of square matrix: a matrix in which number of column equal number of row. A matrix in which number of column number of column equal number of row. Is square matrix. This type matrix is M cross M, M by M type matrix. A matrix in which number of column equal number of row. मतलब column and row are equal. This type matrix is square matrix. Now for example, here given matrix 7 3 0 8. Here one row, two row, मतलब two row, one column, two column and two column, then 2 by 2. Here row equal to column, so this is square matrix. Another example, -1 3 5 0 7 2 9 4 -7. Now here one row, two row and three row, that is three row. One column, second column and third column, that is three column. Here three row and three column are equal, column and row are equal, then a square matrix. Okay. Now diagonal matrix. સ્ક્વેર મેટ્રિક્સ એટલે ચોરસ શ્રેણિક. ડાયાગોનલ મેટ્રિક્સ, ડાયાગોનલ એટલે કે વિકર્ણ શ્રેણિક. diagonal matrix, a square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all non-diagonal elements, this is the diagonal, principal diagonal, and all non-diagonal elements is a 3 5 0 2 4 9 and 4 elements are 0. Here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0 and here 0 and here 0. So that is diagonal matrix. Definition: a square matrix is diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Now for example, three, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 12. A square matrix, this is the square matrix 3 by 3. Row and column are equal. Its diagonal matrix, all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Only principal diagonal. So this is diagonal matrix. Okay. Now scalar matrix. Scalar એટલે કે અદિશ. A diagonal matrix in which all elements of its principal diagonal are equal is scalar matrix. પ્રિન્સિપલ ડાયાગોનલના મતલબ અગ્રવિકર્ણના બધા જ સભ્યો સમાન હોવા જોઈએ, આર ઇક્વલ. નાઉ ડેફિનેશન, અ diagonal matrix in which all the elements of its principal diagonal are equal is scalar matrix. Here diagonal matrix which all elements its principal diagonal are equal is a square matrix. Now for example, -7, 0, 0, -7. Here principal diagonal is -7, -7 and all our elements are 0. Clear? Second example જોઈએ, 3 by 3 માં એ 2 by 2. Now 3 by 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4. Now diagonal elements, principal diagonal સિવાયના દરેક elements 0 and now here principal diagonal elements are equal, so this is the scalar matrix. Clear? Okay. Now definition of unit or identity matrix. A scalar matrix मतलब સદિશ અદિશ શ્રેણિકમાં in which all the elements બધા જ સભ્યો of its principal diagonal અગ્રવિકર્ણો બરાબર of its principal diagonal are unity मतलब 1. પ્રિન્સિપલ ડાયાગોનલનો દરેક સભ્ય એક હોય બરાબર ઇઝ કોલ્ડ યુનિટ મેટ્રિક્સ અધરવાઇઝ આઇડેન્ટિટી મેટ્રિક્સ. is denoted by I. Now સ્કેલર મેટ્રિક મતલબ અદિશ શ્રેણિકની અંદર બધા જ સભ્યો પ્રિન્સિપલ ડાયાગોનલ અગ્રવિકર્ણના દરેક સભ્ય 1 હોય એને આપણે યુનિટ એટલે એકમ શ્રેણિક કહેવામાં આવે છે. ઇટ ઇઝ ડિનોટેડ બાય આઈ. સો I2 is equal to, for example, I2 is equal to 1 0 0. This is 2 by 2 unit matrix. Now other example, I3 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is 3 by 3 unit matrix. Clear? Now again type of matrix, transpose matrix. प्रतिवर्त श्रेणिक ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स. ट्रांसपोज मतलब प्रतिवर्त श्रेणी. एक श्रेणिक में बीजा श्रेणिक नवुं स्वरूप आपवुं. Now definition, if the row and column are of a matrix are interchange मतलब કોલમના સ્થાને રો મૂકો અથવા રોના સ્થાને કોલમ મૂકો એને ટ્રાન્સપોઝ મેટ્રિક કહેવાય. તો ડેફિનેશન, if the rows and column matrix are interchanged then the new matrix is the new matrix is known as the transport matrix. Original matrix. Clear? It's denoted by T. Here A raised T मतलब એનો ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ મેટ્રિક્સ થશે. Now for example, given matrix A is equal to 3 minus 2 7 0 5 9 11 minus 8 and 19. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Now ट्रांसपोर्ट मैट्रिक A raised to T मतलब इंटरचेंज column in row, otherwise row in column. So first row is first column. 3 minus 2 7 is the first row, then here 3 minus 2 and 7 is the first column. 0 5 9 is the second row, then 0 5 9 is the second column. 11 minus 8 19 is the third row, then 11 minus 8 and 19 is a third column. This is transport matrix 3 by 3. Another example, A is equal to, otherwise B is equal to 0 5 9 3 7 4. Here matrix 1 row 2 row and 3 row, 3 row and 2 column, 3 by 2. Now its transport matrix B dash is, otherwise B raised to T is equal to first column 0 and 5, first row 0 and 5, then first column 0 and 5, second row 9 and 3, then second column 9 and 3, third row 7 4, then third column 7 and 4. So here transport matrix 1 row and 2 row, 1 column 2 column and 3 column. So here interchange row to column, otherwise column to row. Here 3 row, then 3 row here, 3 column, then 3 column here. Similarly 3 row, then 3 column 1, and 2 row, that is 2 row. 3 by 2 transport matrix 2 by 3. Okay. Now equality of matrix. Equality of matrices. Two matrices which row and column are equal is a equality matrix. Now here simple definition: two matrices A is equal to Aij M by N, and B is equal to Bij M cross N, M by N are equal. If they have the same order, and Aij is equal to Bij. I is a row and j is a column. So we denoted A is equal to B. Clear? Now for example, here matrix A is equal to x 2 5 0 and matrix B is equal to 3 y minus 4 5 and 0. Here 5 and 0. Then here 1 row 2 row and then 2 by 2. Here also 2 by 2. 5 and 0 are equal, then A is equal to B. Clear? So now other example, A is equal to log 1 2 minus 3 x raised to 0 and B is equal to 0 2 minus 3 and 1. Here 2 is a 2 minus 3 minus 3. Here 2 by 2 and here 2 by 2. 2 and 2 same, minus 3 and minus 3 same. Then we denoted, we write A is equal to B. This is the equality of matrix. मतलब ઇક્વલ મેટ્રિક્સની અંદર દરેક સભ્યો સમાન હોય. ઓકે, હેવ એ નાઇસ ડે.